I'm going to show how to make this lovely stretchy flexible thing. Bends around quite a lot. I don't know if I'm going to make enough of them to make it a torus. I'm starting to get a bit over toruses, but the interesting thing about this one is how stretchy it is. And if you have a look at this little square there. It's not actually a square, it's two twos put together. Like the subunit has, each subunit has half of that little square on it. And I'll show that a bit later. It's got quite a good stretch. I think it's about 40%, which is a heck of a lot. And it does all the tubey things like it should. Right, I'll show the subunit. Here's one of them. Okay, it's again 3 8-rings. Right, 3 rings of 8 on top of each other. Now, every second one you put on a little tag like this. Okay. And in the same spot on the other side, do the same thing. Right. That's the middle bit of here done. Now you've got to put on the half of the square. Now, when you put this against here, it shouldn't go like that. Right? It should go around the other way, so it goes like this, and then you can put it on. So just put 2 on each time. Now it's a bit of a delicate operation. I've done it a lot, despite the fact that just jumped into place. I'm not sure that one actually worked that well because I was looking through the camera when I did it. I'll have a look at it in a minute. Yeah, it's not too bad. Now, those half squares go together like that to make a square. Okay. Those are the 2s that we just put on each one. Alright, I'll put it onto the snake. Now you find the squares are all on the top now. So make sure the 2 is on the top. And just clip it together. Now I had to make sure that was the right way round. One way works, the other way doesn't work. So be careful about that. So just check it. Right, see that's the wrong way. Goes in like that. So just turn it over and use the other end. And put them on. Okay. And you have it. Easily done. Getting too big to show. Now, it's not as easy to fix as some of the others. It's a little bit awkward to fix if it gets too wrecked. So you have 3 8-rings, just stacked one on the other. You put a tag on each second one, keeping the string like aligned along the circumference of the ring, so that this magnet's polarity is actually aligned up the same way as the ring's polarity. Same deal here. And put the 2 on. Check it, that's wrong. Turn it over. And just go around joining them. So now that's what happens if you're not careful. So I wasn't looking through the camera like that. Do the same again here. And that's the subunit. It really is a subunit based snake, this one. Whereas some of the others aren't really. Oh, I didn't do that on camera, sorry. Anyway, there it is. there's a driving force in there. I sort of can't help doing that, but it can bounce. And that's a compression snake. That's a tension snake. Doesn't really compress anymore. In fact, it's quite a solid stop. It's got a solid stop on compression, but it springs back out. This stops in this compressed motion mode, and you can stretch it. This stops in a stretch mode, although you can stretch it a bit further. Not much.